Hi, welcome back to Just Cook. Today, as part of our takeaway menus while we're on lockdown, I'm going to show you how to do a chow mein from our Chinese dishes. We're going to do a prawn chow mein. I've got all the ingredients here. The key to this, with a lot of these dishes, Chinese dishes, is to have the preparation all ready because the cooking is very quick. Just wok fried, pan fried in hot oil. So I've got here the noodles already pre-cooked for 4 minutes as per the instructions, tossed in the sesame oil. I've got the prawns, just going to get this on heating up while I'm doing this. Then I've got my sliced garlic, got soy sauce, spring onions sliced, rice wine vinegar, and then I've got here carrots, and I'm using green beans which have been cut into little lozenges and then blanched just for 2 minutes. If you want to use mange two, which is in the recipe, I give either or. The mange two doesn't need pre-cooking, you can just go straight on, just cut that to bite-sized pieces. So I've got the oil on, it's getting nice and hot now. We're going to start by getting in the garlic and frying that just for 30 seconds, just to get that flavour in there. As I say, this is all about quick cooking. So just get that cooking there, and then we're going to put the prawns in. That's why you need a good wok, because you've got deeper sides, but I haven't found a good one yet for this induction hob, and these frying pans. So we're just going to cook them for a couple of minutes, just to start getting them cooked through before we start adding our other bits. You can already smell that garlic really coming through nicely. One thing you don't want to do with prawns is overcook them because they'll become rubbery. So, we're then going to pop in our vegetables. Stir fry them, sorry, Bog's wanting to come in. I thought he was outside, so just going to stir fry them for a minute or two. Again, just get them cooked out. And really the smell's already coming off that, are lovely. So, then I'm going to add vinegar, rice wine, and then soy. So that gets juiced up in there, lovely. Let that reduce down just for a couple of minutes. Then the next thing, last thing to go in for our spring onions we finish with is the noodles, and that's really just to reheat them back up and stir them back in and get that flavour into them. So those prawns you can see now turn pink, cooking nicely. Let's just get that another 30 seconds, that's starting to reduce down now, thicken up. We're going to add in our noodles. I'm not making the 4 portions that are on the recipe on the website because there's not 4 of us here to eat this. I'm doing a smaller version, but you can make it for 2, for 4, just times it up, times it down as you need to. Toss that over. Some spring onions now in there, just last minute. Just want them really just to run through more than anything. Just let that cook through nicely. Spaghetti noodle. And then just a touch of salt and pepper. A little sprinkle of pepper on there, and then add a little sprinkle of salt, pinch of salt, just to finish that off. And like I say, this is a very quick, once you've done all the prep, easy dish. Those noodles now nicely coated into the sauce. Turn that off, and then just take the dish and just up those vegetables, those noodles. Once you've done the prep, say it's a very quick, so it's easy. You could do your prep a little bit before, and then once you're ready to all eat, just fire this up and cook it off nice and fresh. Lovely, lovely meal for everyone in the evening. So it's freshly cooked and very quick and very easy to do. Let's just show you the prawns. That looks and smells delicious. I've just got a little bit of a spring onion garnish there to go on that. And there we go. Very easy, very quick prawn chow mein. As I say, you can do it with chicken or even just do it with vegetables, you're vegetarian, but a lovely dish. Okay, enjoy.